Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook, and today I'm going to show you my secret to making green beans in the microwave or any vegetable in the microwave. Quick, easy, fast, forget about it, and what's really nice about this is you can season. I know some of you have seen those bags in the microwave that you take and you get them in and they're steamables and you don't have to do anything, you don't have to open the bag. That was back when you didn't have all these wonderful tools you have nowadays that you can season and cook right here. You don't have to heat up your stove top. I just got done cooking on the stove. I got my chicken made. I need a side dish to go with it. I need a green vegetable. This is simple, super easy. I have my Pampered Chef Microwavable cooker. Folks, I'm not paid by Pampered Chef. I'm not even a Pampered Chef consultant. I bought this myself. Love this product. This may be my favorite besides their measuring cups Pampered Chef product because you can season your vegetables. Okay, it's a wonderful thing to have. And you'll need a pair of scissors and a spoon. That's all the tools you'll need for this. Well, I've got your attention in a little in between here. Please like, share, and subscribe. We love when we're getting new subscribers. We're so excited to grow the channel every day. This is my hobby. This is my retirement job after 30 years in education, and I'm just enjoying it thoroughly. Thank you for support. If you got anything you'd like to see, please drop me a line at heckyeahYouCanCook@gmail.com. Today's ingredients, very complicated. A bag of frozen green beans. This is the Food Line bag. Use your favorite can. Do not buy Bird's Eye. It's green beans. They're not doing anything other to them that anybody else is doing. Maybe they're a little bit finer green beans. I'm not that hotty-totty. Any green bean will do. Now, if you do use the better ones, that's you. I'm not saying anything bad about you. Now, my seasoning, because you can use any seasoning you want. You can use oregano. You can use basil. This, I've got Heck Yeah, my favorite for vegetables and for eggs and for about 80% of the things I cook. Badia's Harlem garlic pepper. Wonderful. It's got a little bit of everything in it except salt, so you need a little bit of salt. And I just sprinkle it on the taste. I'm not going to tell you an exact measurement. You use what you like. Here's the hardest thing you'll do. You have to open three things. First, you have to open that. Oh, the agony. Green beans. Be careful here. People have been known to have to go to the ER because they can't open a bag. Great job. Now, I throw in a pinch of salt. The humming is optional. You don't have to do that. Lock. If I have to shoot that salt into space. Badia garlic pepper. Da 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 da. Take my spoon, turn it a little bit. And add just a little bit more. Heck yeah. There you go. Put how much you like. I like when I start to smell it. All right, all done. Oh, that was so hard. Lock the lid. We're gonna go to the microwave. We're gonna put it in our microwave. That's the third thing you have to open the door to the microwave. We're gonna use my microwave setting that says frozen vegetables. Use whatever you said. The bag usually tells you if you want to use exactly how long it cooks there. Almost every microwave nowadays has a sensor on it. I believe here it says microwave, you want to add some water. I don't add any water because there's ice crystals on here. It says 7 minutes. So microwave on high for 7 minutes, or put it in your microwave, hit the sensor button. Great thing to have. We'll be right back. Hey everybody, the microwave has done its magic trick. There it is. How easy that was. There we go. All right. Now, careful, take the lid off. There will be steam. Take your spoon, stir around. We have green beans kicked up, seasoned, no effort. And then I put them right beside the wonderful plate I made earlier. And folks, you did this in the microwave in a pot. There it is, green beans, goes with any great side dish. In this case, if you'd like to look at this recipe, it would be up on Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. It's my wonderful savory chicken with carrots and potatoes in Sensational seasoning. Everyone have a great day. There's your green beans. Get some Pampered Chef the next time it comes around. If there's one thing you buy, get the microwave cook set. Save you so much time and money. Have a great day.